Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 277. This error is commonly associated with connection problems between your device and Roblox. So first you need to check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi to mobile data or connect to a different Wi-Fi network. Next, completely close the Roblox app and reopen it. And you need to make sure you're using the latest version of Roblox from the official App Store. Then restart your device and try joining the game again. And if you're using a VPN, temporarily disable it and test Roblox without it. Then you can also try reinstalling Roblox if the problem continues. And finally, check Roblox's service status in case there is an ongoing platform outage. So that was how to fix Roblox Error Code 277. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.